Ho sa le jwalo, mekga dipolotiki ntshitse Maikutlo ka ho tshwarwa ha Molefe.
COPE welcomes the arrest of former Transnet and Eskom executive Brian Molefe. This arrest is long overdue. We hope that more arrests will follow.
The people of South Africa wants to see that there is progress, and this will create confidence with the public that something is done about the Zondo Commission and people who were part of corruption. The problem is that no politicians had yet been arrested. Many of them had been named by the Zondo Commission, and the people would like to see that those politicians also get arrested and to pay the price if they were guilty on corruption.
Our public healthcare system is collapsing. Our infrastructure has been destroyed simply because the money was stolen by individuals or groupings who have decided that on their own they are going to collapse South Africa. Therefore, as the National Freedom Party, we appreciate and welcome the arrest of these individuals. But we are saying you can even arrest a cleaner at Transnet. For as long as you are not arresting the politicians who might have assisted them, it will all be in vain.
We urge the investigators to always ensure that they have enough and sufficient evidence that meets the threshold of the Criminal Procedure Act, so as to allow for the credibility of the justice system not to be impaired.